Okay, today we are going to add a new page to our interactive notebook called Graphing Proportional Relationships. If you would please turn to page 74 and 75 in your notebook, or the corresponding pages if your notebook is off. You will need to write your title, Graphing Proportional Relationships, on both 75 and 74. And your learning goal, which you will write on the right-hand side, is recognize and represent proportional relationships between quantities. Decide whether two quantities are in a proportional relationship. Once you've finished copying that down, then I would like for you to take your graphing proportions relationships foldable and glue that into place. After you've done that, I would like for you to turn to page 74. And on 74, you need to write title, Graphing Proportional Relationships, and then write your goal in your own words. It could be something like, I can explain the proportional relationship of a point on a graph in terms of a given situation. I would then also like for you to write down what I know, what you already know about graphing proportional relationships. That will be all you'll fill out at this point. In terms of your own language, I would, though, like for you to copy down what I learned, a place for your proof, and a place for your reflection. All right. After you've done that, I'd like for you to turn in your book to page 76 and 77. At this point, on page 76, I would like for you to practice graphing relationships. And then after you've done that, I would like for you to glue in the story problem that we're going to be doing. Once you've glued that in, then for you to take the graph that I gave you, and I would like you to cut. Mine is a 10 by 15. Yours can be something shorter or bigger. You just need to make sure that you have enough space to fill out X and your Y axis and your labels for everything. So make sure that you have space around the areas. Once you have completed all of that, then you may go back and actually start work on the assignments. You are going to be figuring out the proportional relationship of a 12-pack of soda that costs $4 and figuring out how much you could get for $1, how much you get for $2, how much you could get for $3. And then also a movie bundle. Movie ticket bundles for two cost $25. So if one couple was going, how much would that cost? If two couples were going, how much would that cost? Three couples going, how much would that cost? And so on. The other story problem that we'll be doing is this one. A pool is filling with water at a constant rate of 10 minutes. The height of the water level is, after 10 minutes, the height of the water level is 6 inches. After 15 minutes, the water level is now at 9 inches. When will the pool be completely filled if the entire pool is 60 inches deep? I'd like for you to go ahead and create a table, but also because we have been using proportional relationships in story problems, you can also solve it proportionally to figure out what the final answer is. But in order to graph it, you're going to still need your table in order to figure out what that is. After create a table, I want you to use the blank graph to create a graph to represent the information that you found when you were creating your table. All right, all of that will be due on Thursday. Thanks a lot.